Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing another MiNiBRANDS mini minis build a fridge. We haven't done one of these in a while. Ooh, nice. I did not bring my list today. Yes, I'm slacking. I'm so sorry. But I think I have a pretty good idea of what we need. I say that and then watch, I'll forget. These are just testing my strength today. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look, we have the egg. I'm pretty sure we don't have that one. Pretty sure. So cute. Look at that egg. Oh, yeah. Excuse my dry hands. Oh, water. We definitely have plenty of water. What is this? Oh. More kombucha. More broccoli. This looks tiny. More bacon. Oh, we have an IHOP burger and fries. We have that one already. And more, oh gosh, that sauce. That sauce. I'm not going to attempt to say it. But so far, yes, the egg. The egg is the new one that we got, the magnet. So, good ball. Good ball, not too bad. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye.